Forget your resolutions because today, we are going deep into comfort food territory. We're talking crispy, classic South Carolina fried chicken served with a side that's anything but basic, Cordon Bleu Mashed Potatoes. And to tie it all together, that tangy, sweet, glorious southern mustard sauce. Let's get cooking. First, the heroes of the plate. For the chicken, cut up chicken, buttermilk, hot sauce mix, and a seasoned flour blend. For the mash, potatoes, butter, cream, and our cordon bleu twist, Gruyère cheese, and diced ham. And for the sauce, yellow mustard, vinegar, honey, brown sugar, and a kick of cayenne. We start with the bird because good fried chicken takes a little time. This is a classic SC brine. Chicken pieces go into a mix of buttermilk and hot sauce. Not for heat, but for tenderizing. Let this hang out in the fridge for at least 4 hours. Overnight is best. Now for the coating. Flour, salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and a generous dose of paprika for that golden color. While the chicken gets its spa day, let's make the Carolina Gold. This sauce is simple alchemy. Yellow mustard is the base, then we add tang from cider vinegar, sweetness from honey and brown sugar, and a little zing from cayenne. Whisk it all up in a pot, bring it to a gentle simmer for about 15 minutes, and then let it cool. It thickens beautifully as it chills. Boom, sauce done. You're welcome. Time for the side dish that's secretly the star, Cordon Bleu Mashed Potatoes. Boil your potatoes until fork tender. While that's happening, we're going to saute a little diced ham until it's crispy. Now, drain those potatoes. The secret to fluffy mash? A ricer. Press them through. Then add generous amounts of butter and warm cream. This is where we get fancy. Stir in that crispy ham and a handful of gorgeous melty Gruyère cheese, season with salt and pepper. This mash isn't just a side, it's a creamy, smoky, cheesy experience. It should be illegal, but here we are. Back to the main event. Heat your oil, preferably in a cast iron skillet, to about 325 to 350 degrees F. 160-175 degrees. Pull the chicken from the marinade, let the excess drip off, then dredge it heavily in that seasoned flour. Crispy sound FX. Drop it gently into the hot oil, skin side down first. Don't crowd the pan. Fry for about 6 to 8 minutes per side until it's deep golden brown and the internal temp is 165 degrees C, 74 degrees. Drain it on a wire rack, not paper towels, to keep the bottom crispy. All right, the moment of truth. A generous scoop of that heavenly cordon bleu mash, a perfect piece of that crunchy SC fried chicken, and a healthy drizzle of the southern mustard sauce right over the top. It's a plate that just screams, I'm delicious. That crunch. The creamy, smoky mash. The tangy sauce. That is a winner, folks. You've got to try this one. All the ingredients and full instructions are linked below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more comfort food that's worth the calories.